How to install Amazon Prime Video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily install Amazon Prime Video on your phone. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Having Amazon Prime videos on your phone has different advantages, like access to a large library of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and live sports. It also includes channels like Paramount Plus, Starz, BBC, PBS, Max, and Apple TV. It also offers you an ad-free option, like you can watch ads without being disrupted with the ads, so you can easily watch content without any ads or limited amount of ads once you sign in for ad-free options. You also have new releases where you can watch new award-winning Amazon originals. You also have an option for renting and buying pre-released movies and entire TV shows. So to install the application, just tap on Play Store, go ahead and search bar and search for Amazon Prime Videos. And once you search for it, just tap on Prime Video and tap install. Once you get here, once the app is installed, just make sure to log into your account and you can enjoy all of those features. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.